Check. Okay na ba?
Oo, okay na yan.
Tara, vlog na tayo.
Hello mga ka-Purple! Another day, another event.
So we are now here at Celcal Del Rio Pavilion and Restaurant.
For the wedding celebration of
Eric and Ira.
Let's Go! Mabuhay mga ka-Purple! Kasama po natin ngayon na nag-iisang idol, James Reid!
Oy, nakakaya naman. Ano ba naman yan? Let's Flowers and Events Management. Magandang hapon guys. So makakasama niyo na po si Idol James Reid at welcome sa wedding ni Eric and Ira. So it's gonna be fun and of course with Team Belagis and the Let's Flowers and Events Management and si Idol James Reid. Happy lang tayo guys.
Yes, here at Celcal Del Rio Pavilion and Restaurant.
Perfect. Yan ang
Stop it. Get some help.
Sarap!
sarap.
Yeah, boy.
Sige.
Hello mga ka-Purple, I'm Shana Escocia. I'm the co-owner of the Let's Flowers and Events Management. Ngayon, as you can see na, tumatanggap tayo ng mga bisita ngayon, nag-photo booth, nag-pika-pika. Inuutusan ko na yung mga coordinator natin na gawin nila yung mga trabaho nila para wala tayong maging problema today. Yun lang po at maraming salamat.
And yes, ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to witness a continuation of a love story that starts from Hi Hello, turns to I Love You, and today it's I Do. Wala po bang palakpakan dyan?
Wala po bang malakas na hiyawan dyan?
Hinto, buhok mo'y Gucci, talampa kay Gucci, supot mo'y kawali kito'y ginanggaling kay Eloy. Bongga kaday, sige lang, itaas ang kilay. Bongga kaday, sige lang, itaas ang kilay.
Next few hours tonight, say na huwag na po natin patagalin to. Let's get the party started. So I'd like to thank all of you for coming, looking so beautiful and handsome this afternoon.